inhabitants are Woodlands and Forest areas along the east coast of Australia. Their blood red can mimic almost any sound. They live without seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think NASA has something to find this hidden object? Well, if yes, then say, you can do it, Nazel! Come on, Nazel, find the hidden object for us. Let's hear about it! Turn of applause for Nazel with Trainer Neil. Now, our next VTubers are just like any married couple, monogamous, meaning they will be mates or partner for life. Bring a romantic ride, but as any couple contest in a relationship, there will always be balance. Meet Sass and Rocky, our VTuber of winning a call, and today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before I start talking about you, introduce. So, girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls. Let me hear a cheer. Sassy, Sassy. Sassy, Sassy. And how about the boys? So, the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on, boys. Let me hear a cheer. Rocky, Rocky. Rocky, Rocky. Alright, so birds ready. Trainers ready, set, go. Here comes Rocky for the first ball. Followed by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky. And it's a tie, and for the last ball, Rocky wins. Trainer Mark, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Hold it! We want another race.
Oh, they want another race. Trainer RJ?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
Bring out our winners.
And what is the ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pole, the fastest is the winner. So that is the ring race.
So the ring race which will be, remember guys, boys have already 1 point. And girls, come on, let's hear Sassy to win this time. And we will listen in this time, our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky for the first ring. Oh, hey, what's happening? Sassy, pick up the clearance at the same time. Oh, where's that? And the winner is Sassy. Trainer RJ, what can you say about that clearance at the same time?
Hey, you guys cheated.
Oh, he think you cheated.
He didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
So it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys. Around the applause for Sass and Rocky with Trainer Mark and Trainer RJ.
Get a girl without her husband. So once again, our beautiful brother, Morgan, with Trainer Guy. Alright, so this time I need an adult hero volunteer. Come on, an adult always Then look at the power and smile. Alright, I don't know what's for our volunteer. And this is too much.
because they're the second largest next to the hyacinth macaws. They can grow up to and use internet and can live up to 8 years old. Some names are Chloroptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salt, minerals along the banks. Let's go, girl. Here comes Rocky for the first ball, followed by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky. And it's a tie and for the last ball, Rocky. Trainer Mark, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time. If our lovebirds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter small the effort, let's take action. Insect them from exploitation and devastation. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the